Okay, so this is how you do a graph in Excel. So you want to open up Excel and you want to have the desktop version. You don't want to use the online version because you cannot add a trend line on online. So once you have your data put into two columns, you are going to click, hold, and drag to highlight the area that you want. So here I am holding and dragging. You are then going to select the insert option. Going to move over to where you see the scatter plot and select that graph. Because I put my X values first, it will automatically put my X values where they need to go and my Y values where they need to go. I then want to add the trend line. So on the version, if you look in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see quick layout, select that. And this one right here will add a trend line. By default, it will add a linear regression line. You want to have whatever regression line best fits your data. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that trend line. You are then going to right click on a PC, or you're going to hit Control click on an Apple, and you're going to select the Format Trend Line option. Once you've done that, this part on the side opens up and you can scroll down and select Display Equation and display the R² value on the graph. And so here it is. You can move that around if you want. To get back to the trend line, you can just click on it and you'll get those trend line options coming back up. You can go through all the different trend lines. So here's the exponential with an R² value of 0.9896, very strong. Linear, not so strong. Logarithmic, very not strong. Then polynomial here, it has a 0.9879, so that's pretty strong as well. And then you can also do the cubic by going to the power of 3, and it's a 0.9979, so that's actually the strongest. We didn't cover power regression lines, and moving average is not something you want. So once you find the one that has the highest R² value, it means it has the highest R value, which is what we're looking for. You can also format your table. You can format and add a title. You can add labels for your different axes. I'm not going to cover that part, but that is how you add a regression line with the regression equation and the R² value on a graph.